Did you know that AI is transforming the world of geographic information systems? Together, GIS and AI are driving incredible innovations. From automated data analysis to real-time decision-making, AI in GIS helps us quickly process massive amounts of geospatial data, identifying patterns humans might miss. With AI, GIS can now analyze drone imagery for precision agriculture, urban planning, and even disaster response, detecting changes in land use, crop health, and much more. AI-powered GIS tools are helping predict natural disasters like floods and earthquakes, allowing communities to prepare and respond faster than ever before. This combination of GIS and AI is reshaping industries, making our world smarter, safer, and more sustainable. I'm Mohammed Saqib, and I'm here to help you advance your knowledge in GIS. Together, let's explore the future of geospatial technology powered by AI. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more updates.